guys, it's your girl Nana. I know I'm just a mess and getting my hair done, but I'm gonna teach you how to make slime with 2 ingredients. If you really want to make this stretch, well, let me show you. Hold on. Sorry guys. You want to make this stretchy up slime, and it's yeah. So let's get into the video, guys. Hold on, guys. Hold on. So the 2 things you need is much glue, any glue, and Airwick apple scent melody. You need to use this kind because not all of them work. And yeah. Something to mix with. So let's get started. I don't need like a freaking plate or nothing because I know it's gonna work. So first, I could use this, but nah. Pour the glue. That's a lot of slime. And then first you want to pour a little of a medium scent of the Airwick, like less than it. And then start to mix. Mix up for 2 minutes until you add the other one. You can guys see, right? You can see. And then you want to add more. Hold on. It's so hard to do with one hand. So as you can see, hold on, guys. Then you want to add some more. I added some more, and then you want to start a mix. As you can see, like it's like starting to come together. As you can see, you just need to add like a little more. Just a little more, and you see, coming together. See, coming together. See, coming together. And you can add color, but I don't have any color. So when I get color on Monday, I'm gonna color them. It looks like this. Just want to add a little more so like everything could come and then you're gonna hold it and then put it on. If you have a plate, put it on the plate and everything, and start to like tap all of them.